I got my wall panels. I'm actually just gonna get them real quick. Yeah, so these are the panels. It says you're supposed to mount them with heavy duty construction adhesive, and I don't want to do this to that wall. So I actually got some double-sided 3M tape that is a lot thinner than I thought it was gonna be. But I did test it out on the wall because I just wanted to see if it would actually stick. So I stuck this to the wall, and it's actually like super on there, so it should be totally fine. It actually takes some of the wall off with it. So I mean, I don't know, we'll see. If it falls off, then I will obviously just get something else, but I'm gonna try it out and see if it works. I got 2 packs. I actually opened one already because I wanted to see what it looked like. So it's these guys. Each one of them is layered with this, so these are them. Hopefully that's in focus. I'll probably just put the camera somewhere, set it up, and then do like a time lapse of me installing. So yeah, I'm gonna have to move my shelf for sure. I'll probably move my desk. Here's before, and that was a terrible snap. Hold on.
Five Guys fries are whack too, by the way.
Leave me.
Yeah, they are.
Woo!
Got people on me?
Honey, they're not.
Wait.
They're average.
All right, so this is the new setup. I think it's pretty cool. It's in frame. Kind of a pain in the ass, but it is what it is. So yeah, this is I moved my desk back to the original angle that I have it at, so I enter on this side of the desk. My chair is still squeaky. I'm just gonna get a new chair. That's the plan. I don't like this chair that much, and I kind of want a more comfortable chair, so I'm gonna get a nice chair. Yeah, I say yeah a lot. I've noticed that for sure.
That was easy. That was easy.
This is obviously the next day. I went to my friend's party last night and wasn't able to actually film the rest of the video. Yeah, this window is still open, so the lighting is still a little off, but we'll see. I might have to recolor grade my preset because of the different contrast to the rear. Also, on that note, here's the new intro.
Never at ease, I don't know a limit. Chasing a dream, I don't know what sleepers. I got a queen, she lit me the evening. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me the snippet. We well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through its murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage of doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cutthroat from the low, where no love goes. Women buddy like it's been that. Wanna fuck me looking at the bill stack. Off the bubbly buddy, I've been stressed out. Let the smoke scream from my chest out. Niggas laced up, I really hate love from a stranger. Shit is fake stuff, only need it from you. Yeah.
So I'm actually gonna go and do this to every one of them, so I don't have to do this and record for like 30 minutes. But I'm just doing the borders with the double-sided tape. So I'm just gonna border all of them, and then when I'm ready to stick them up, I will just tear off the double-sided tape, and then it'll just look a lot cleaner when I do the time lapse. So I did one just to make sure it would stick, and they're not perfectly flat because the boxes, they have these little corner pieces that actually makes it kind of bend a little bit. So the correct thing would have been to let it sit in the sun for like, I don't know, a little bit, let it heat up on a flat surface, and then they would be perfectly flat. So I just did one box of 12. I did the tape. I ended up doing just halves actually of the corners with the tape, so it does hit the corner, so the corners will stick and the middle will stick, but I didn't need the whole thing to be coated in 3M double-sided tape. I did fit it up against this one, and it's not perfectly square. There is a little gap, a little tiny gap there. So I don't know if that's my fault from the top or if these are just not perfectly square. So, I mean, we'll see. This is the time lapse continues.
Crash land in the palm of my hand. Bad little flex wanna play by the coast. Carry the torch, I'm way up, it's litty wherever we flow. I came from the cold, used to rest on the floor. I stitch up my wounds, was born a soldier. Flipping the struggle, I'm taking it worldwide. Hold it down when you talk to me. Say it is what it's supposed to be. Say it loud, but I mean it too, yeah. Talk that good when you talk to me. Say it nice and I give it to you. You know my word is bond, yeah. What we on now is wild, shit a trip, yeah. Life is lit, take a breath, that's it. Now it's wild, it's shit a trip. Life is litty, shit a gift, bitch I'm him. I don't really lack nothing. Drip black fish, hit the splash button. Niggas landlocked, too bad for him.
Alright, so this is a pain in the ass. It's not straight, so it's not like straight up and down, so then they come out like crooked and then it's going into the wall and then it doesn't line up correctly. So I'm kind of like twisting them a little bit so they kind of like fit. But if this doesn't end up working, it was $15 for this tape. I don't really care. So this is just like a test, so I don't have to do the other way.
And they liable to talk, but it's mad rubbish. It don't mean nothing. From the soil trying to make it to the top floor, but the penthouse pin game, something mad yucks, bros. No sleeping, been a task rabbit, been a lab addict. The chief of the tribe I put on for my village. Used to be local, I'm taking it global. Sharp with the focus, she catching emotion. Treat that holistic, I give it a physics. Fuck your opinion, just did a show, only spit raw material. I'm independent, bitch, I'm in the building. Look what we built it feel like no ceiling, we taking it worldwide.
That's that for now. I can't do the corner pieces because it's late and I don't really want to, but that's the background. I've been searching around for the 1JZ with a rear sump. They are very hard to find. I might have to get a front sump and then convert it to a rear sump. Sadly, so I haven't ordered the engine yet because there isn't any for sale right now. So I might wait another week if I can't find one. I'm gonna call a few places and see when they restock and get some more imported. But if I don't see it in a week, I'll probably just buy a front sump and swap it over. I don't know how much the oil pans are. I'm guessing around $500 for the conversion. I don't know. We'll see. I don't even know if it's hard or not. I haven't really watched the videos. I just didn't want to deal with it. That's why I was trying to go for the rear sump. But looks like it's not in the cards right now. So the other thing I was thinking when I was putting them up, I'm like, usually people do like foam for this because of audio. So there's not echoing and it's not tinny. This is the complete opposite. This is fucking plastic. So that's probably gonna sound terrible. Hopefully the audio is fine because I didn't really think about that when I did it. I can kind of hear an echo. A little bit. Hey. I hope the audio is fine. I do hear a little echo more than before actually, but that's gonna wrap up this video. I think the next one's probably gonna be the part 2 of the 13B removal. Because I haven't finished that yet. I am taking the transmission out with the engine. And so that way when I get the bell housing adapter, it is just a lot easier to figure out and make sure everything's correctly aligned. Short video, trying to keep them shorter. Like I said a little bit ago, I'm trying to keep them like 8 minutes because 15 minutes is a little too long. Maybe 10 minutes. 10 minutes is a good cap. But yeah, so yeah, thanks for watching. I post every Wednesday. I might be switching. No, I'll post every Wednesday because I'm getting a new job and then I'll have weekends off so I can finish weekends, recorrect weekdays, and then post Wednesdays. That's a good one. Yeah, so thanks for watching.